Okay, to test the battery on a E500 bike, go ahead and set your meter on DC, and you're going to put, as you can see in here, it has a little symbol for plus and minus. So go ahead and insert your positive connection here and your negative. Make sure to go all the way in as far as you can, and then you get an accurate reading. In this case, this battery is healthy. We're getting 49 volts. And to test the charger for the bike, you want to insert one of the leads from your meter and touch the other one on the outside. Right there, we're getting 55 voltage. That's whatever the charging cord is giving us. And as you can see in the back on the output, it says 54.6 voltage. So 50 bytes are right accurate.